just follow you, whatever.
Hey, this is Gary Berger from Berger Law Firm. I'm here with my friend Sabrina Jack on Facebook Live. We thought she came in to pick up another check, and we thought we'd do a little video on Facebook Live. You look beautiful today, as always.
Thank you.
So you want to so you were injured in 2015, July of 2015.
Yes.
What kind of a crash?
Bad. I got hit by a Mack truck from behind.
Yep. It was at a stoplight?
Yes, at a stoplight. Terrible. I was sitting still.
And it was, but one of the interesting things was who owned the Mack truck?
The post office.
The post office. So what happened was we had what's called a Federal Tort Claims Act. So if you ever sue the federal government, they don't let you sue them in regular court. They make you make a claim in the Federal Tort Claims Act, which makes you file an administrative claim with the post office, and then they can deny it or accept it. And what did they do?
They accepted.
Well, they finally did, but first
Right.
they denied it.
Right.
So then we filed suit in federal court in the Eastern District of Missouri, and we litigated that case. As you were just saying before we turned on the camera, it's a thick file,
Yes.
you know. So tell me about your experience with our firm.
Oh my gosh. Had it not been for Berger Law Firm, I don't know what I would have done. I immediately got medical assistance. I got to a chiropractor, and he was amazing. He took care of me and referred me to other doctors, my specialists. I mean, it was a great experience all the way around.
Good.
No one's watching.
No one's watching. Yes. Well, maybe they will.
You had 2 viewers for a while, but they both stopped watching.
So the person talking is my son Jordan, who's filming this.
I don't think anyone's watching.
Well, they will though. This will be a permanent video on our Facebook page.
Whoops.
I figured
I didn't
getting
know
this
that.
kid would. You didn't turn it off, did you?
No, it's still
All
going.
right. So these are your pictures. Apparently, maybe it's the filmer.
Yeah.
So these are the pictures. You got dents. So this is the picture. Not too much in property damage, right?
No. Well, $7,000 worth. But.
Well, yeah, okay. Well, it's a nice car. You drive a nice work. And you're a hard-working woman. You had some wage loss we claimed.
Yeah.
And you missed some work.
Yeah.
So we filed it. We litigated it.
Yeah.
We did all this discovery. We did all this work.
Yeah.
And then we were able to settle the case.
That's right.
How much did we sell it for?
$75,000.
$75,000. That's a lot of money.
Yeah.
I mean, I know that it's not to minimize what you went through, because you went through a lot, right?
Sure. Yeah.
So we settled the case.
You guys fought really hard, though.
Yeah, we did for a while. You know what? One of the things that's important to do here is we want to get you fully compensated for your injuries, not 50% compensated. And the other thing you want out of a lawyer is you don't want me to leave any money on the table in negotiating. So you need to feel that you got a full value of your claim. Do you feel that?
Yeah.
All right. And I noticed you went and you Google reviewed us.
I did.
Already. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Do you know how many Google reviews my firm has?
How many?
I don't know. I'm going to tell you right now. But I will tell you something. We are the most Google reviewed law firm in the St. Louis area.
Are you really?
Yes, we are.
That's a testament to your service.
Well, you know what? We work hard. And so I'll tell you how many. Jordan, you can look over here, Jordan. Film over there. Berger Law, we have 170 Google reviews.
Wow.
4.9. It was 5 stars, but someone actually did a wrong review of us, and we told them about it. It was for a different lawyer, not us. But anyway, so yeah, we're 5-star reviewed 170 times, but thank you for doing that, and thanks for the thank you.
Thank you.
And what the other thing that we did with you, just to not to go over too long, is that anytime a lot of times when we settle the cases, people have liens. You get different medical care from different providers. So one of the other things we do is we make sure that that we resolve all the liens as part of the settlement. So when we get paid the money, we give you a sheet showing what you earn out of the money, and any settlement, personal injury settlement, is tax free to you. And then we also pay out the lien holders and try to reduce those down. So is that what you were getting today? You were getting a check?
No, I'm actually going to get another check.
Good. The checks keep coming from us.
Yeah, so this is from one lien where a little bit was paid too much, so they just gave me a bit back, and I got another check coming when a lien is reduced, because you guys are working really hard to get a lien reduced for me, so I should be getting another one.
What was it like trying to figure out how to get a lawyer, going through the process? I'm a lawyer, I talk a lot, but I'd like to hear from you. What would you think?
It was stressful. I was already dealing with the injury, and I had no idea who I was going to choose for the case. I didn't even know how to go about it outside of maybe going online, because I didn't really have good references. And I was like, oh, well, I'm not just going to go to anybody. So I hear a lot of quacks on the radio, and I can't. So, but you guys seem really professional. I love the website, and just the office staff was really polite. So I chose you guys.
Great. Yeah, there was certainly some different twists and turns with the different medical care you had, and you didn't have surgery.
No.
And then the Federal Tort Claims Act case against the post office, but we're happy to get a settlement. All right, that's all I have. You can visit our Facebook page or Burger Law website if you have any questions. We answer a lot of questions for free on our website. You can always call us at 314-542-2222. In Illinois, it's 618-772-2222. If you have any other questions, thanks.
All right.
Thank you, Sabrina.
No problem.
Appreciate it.